I personally believe that as the American people give you the honor of serving, you should keep on doing it when you leave office. I set up this foundation so that I could pursue causes that I could still have an impact on as a private citizen. We don't go around and decide in advance what's best for people. We go out and ask them. And I think that's why we have a high rate of success. I had a story, and it was a heck of a story. And I want every other child in the world to have a story. It is a results-oriented foundation committed to taking on the world's biggest challenges. We can save the planet for our children and grandchildren and do it in a way that will give us more economic opportunity. With this foundation, I could do things that were quite important that governments normally don't do.
Former President Clinton is joining the war on AIDS.
Individually, these projects are going to transform communities, but collectively, they can change the world.
President Clinton has created a forum where we can come together and share our ideas and our innovations.
This whole initiative is in the how business. Regardless of what you do, how are you going to do it?
An update on tsunami relief. Former President Bush and former President Bill Clinton are spearheading the fundraising effort.
My life has been a balance between fulfilling initiatives that I always wanted and then responding to things that come up.
Don't tell me they can't do this. This is an opportunity to reimagine the future for the Haitian people, to build the country that they want to become instead of to rebuild what they used to be. I measure success by whether lives are changed.
Arriving this morning in California, Laura Ling and Yuna Lee.
When we walked through the doors, we saw standing before us President Bill Clinton.
What should our shared values be? Everybody counts. Everybody deserves a chance. Everybody's got a responsibility to fulfill. We all do better when we work together.
He's helped to create a model for individual responsibility and collective action that all of us are going to be studying for a very long time.
I do it because I think I should do it, because of the life I've been given, and I do it because I like it better than anything else I could be doing.
And the man who has made so much promise possible is my dear friend, Bill Clinton.